What's going on, guys? Scott from Controversial Cruising, checking in here from the Carnival Miracle. But I know you guys have been waiting for this video. Why do I know that? Because you guys asked for it. I am going to show you, now that we're 4 or 5 sea days in, I'm going to show you how to send your laundry away on Carnival and get it back even the same day or next day. It's a process, and the only difference now, let me preface this and say I am platinum, so I do get 3 bags of these free. But whether you get them free or not, the process is still the same. And I think that that is really important to share with everyone, because everybody wants to know, if I go on a Journeys cruise or a 9-day cruise, 8-day cruise, even a 7-day cruise, and you want to pack light, there are options to do your laundry. So come along, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and we're going to do it together. So let me show you how to send your laundry away on a Carnival ship. Come on. All right, so let's start where things are located. Okay, if you are in a Carnival stateroom, okay, much like the old staterooms, okay, and you see this here, this drawer right here, we're going to pull open that drawer, and it says you do the lounging, excuse me, and we'll do the laundry. Also under there is one of these sheets here. We actually got 2 of these, so I already have one on the bed. I just wanted to show you guys where the laundry bag and the laundry list is located. So come on, let's set some laundry up. All right, so I'm going to be very transparent with you. I am setting this up to send tomorrow, but I thought that this was a great opportunity to record this video. Richie is somewhere up on the pool deck, and I have the room to myself. So I said, let me show you guys how I get laundry prepared to send. I could even send it later today, but I'm not going to do that to my room steward. He's working hard. He's halfway down the hallway. So I am just going to show you how to prep it and what you would do if you are going to send it today or tomorrow, either way. But I think the prep is kind of the biggest pain in the butt. So let's take a look here. I'm going to show you guys. All right, I have my Valet Service here, and we can see each item. Let me focus in here. Each item has a little bit of a price tag on it, and this is all a la carte. I know this, we're not looking at a menu, but this is all a la carte. So let's just say you wanted a coat dry cleaned or washed. It is going to be $7 per coat. Let's come over here to something a little bit more common. Trousers or slacks. Okay, we have $5 for trousers. Underwear or panties, they're only $2. But the great thing about this is we are platinum, so we get 3 of these. Let me show you how we're going to itemize this. All right, and that's fine. I'm about to show my underwear on YouTube, but it's not the underwear that's on, so don't even worry about it. And it's not tighty whities, so you guys can't come after me. I don't wear tighty whities. So let's show you here. This is the pile of laundry that I have. Now let's see. We have them itemized here. We have some shirts. We have some jumpsuits. I don't have any jumpsuits. Some shirts, some shorts, definitely. Socks, pairs, so they let you do it in pairs. Some underwear, and some undershirts. So that's basically what I have here. Let's just count them out together. We have 1 undershirt. We have 2 undershirts. We have 3 undershirts. We should have 4, maybe 5. 4 undershirts. Okay, we got 4 undershirts. We got 1, 2, 3 pairs of boxers. Okay, so 4, 4, 3. We got 1 pair of shorts here. We have 2 shirts. 2 shirts. 1 and 2, my Controversial Cruising, my old Controversial Cruising shirt. And we have 1, 2, and 3 pairs of socks. So basically, I am going to go down here and I am going to itemize and write everything down here. I do need my left hand to write this down, and then I'm going to show you how we itemize it. So this is all my laundry that we are going to send out tomorrow. All right, I have filled it out here. We see we have 2 shirts, 1 short, 3 socks, pairs, 4 underwear, boxers, and 4 undershirts, excuse me, and 3 boxers. Okay, and let me just read this up here to you. The VIFP Platinum Wash and Fold. So on cruises, 7 days, up to 7 days, you get 2 bags of laundry. Anything over, we get 3. So we get 3 bags of laundry. We are going to be sending this out. And let me preface, the best way to get this done, especially in the morning, is just walk it over to your cabin steward. You know, even throwing a $1 or $5, $10, and I'll tell you, you will get that laundry back super quick. But even if you don't, extra tip, let's be nice and let's walk this over to our cabin steward, because that is how you are going to get your laundry back the quickest. If you let it sit in here, well, guess what? He or she is only going to find it when they clean your room. So there's an extra tip. Let's walk it to our cabin steward, especially if we're doing it in the morning and it's, say, formal wear or something that we need for later tonight, because they do same day service. They do. But you got to give them time to do the same day service. You can't pop it on them at noon and expect it to come back at 5, because you're not the only one on the ship. So I hope this helped. I hope my little laundry video had answered your questions. If you want to know anything else about the laundry, put it down in the comments. I will show you when this comes back all nice and folded. And thanks for tuning in. I will pop another little clip once this does come back. But tomorrow I am sending this away because I need some new clean boxers. All right, so it is actually the next day. Even though I'm wearing the same shirt I wore to bed. But I am ready to send in my laundry, and I told you guys I would connect this video to it, so this is the ending of that video. This is me handing in my laundry. Actually, some counts went up. Let me show you here. Oh, this is actually not part of the laundry. This is for somebody who's on the ship that posted in the Facebook group that they wanted some stickers and stuff. So Amanda, coming your way. This right here, as you can see, all I did was I just kind of scribbled it out and I did this. This was 2 and now I made it 3. This was 3, made it 4. That was 3, made it 4. And then basically you just fill out all of your information on the bag here, so you know that it comes back. I just put Miracle here. You don't have to put Miracle. I just did that. And then we will fix this here. They will basically give you the carbon copy of this, the second pink copy of this, and then all of my laundry. I don't know if you guys have gotten one of these. I got this from a job a really long time ago when I was a bat boy for a Long Island Ducks team. This was their laundry bag, and when we used to travel, this is what we used to put our laundry in. So this is actually really cool. This is what I used as my laundry. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon, but now basically all we do is we dump all of the laundry out here, and we are going to transform it into this bag here. There has been multiple times where I actually sent this bag with the laundry and it came back, but yeah, so that is exactly how you do your laundry. I will go and give this to our stateroom attendant, and that's it, and it will come back by 5 o'clock today. And also to note, I know I said this yesterday, but if you have 2 platinum guests in your stateroom, it's actually double the amount. So it's not 3, it's 6. So Richard is platinum, I am platinum, so he gets 3, I get 3. We were going to do laundry together to conserve the bags, but now we're 5 sea days in and we both still have 3 bags of laundry each, so we're going to do our laundry separate, at least for this first round. But yeah, if you are traveling with another diamond or another platinum guest, diamond is another world of its own, but if you are another platinum guest and you are on a long journeys cruise like this, you will get 3 bags no matter what. Even if you have another cabin mate and they do not have that status, you'll still get your 3 bags. That is per platinum guest. All right, so I guess this is the real end of the laundry video, because we finally got, well, I shouldn't say finally, it's only what time is it? 5:25, and we sent this out at about 9 o'clock this morning. And look, we got it all back. And then even a little note. It says, thank you for choosing our service. Let's rip it open. We have Richard's right there, too. He got 2 bags of laundry today. Well, he only sent 1 away, but...
Can I throw a laundry secret?
Yeah, hold on.
This is actually legitimately a laundry secret. Do you know where most of the employees that actually work in the laundry are from?
No, I don't.
You will not see this nationality elsewhere on the ship.
Okay.
That's what's interesting. It's very rare across the rest of the ship. They're actually from mainland China.
Oh.
I'm talking about across all cruise ships. They hire the laundry from mainland China, and here's what happens. There's a laundry master. And do you know how you become the laundry? This is not even a joke. I wish I was kidding. You know I'm filled with nuggets of knowledge. I can verify this for Virgin, Royal Caribbean, and Celebrity. I've not done it on Carnival, but I mean, it seems like it's a pattern. There's the laundry master. And the only difference between him and the laundry guys is he speaks English. So he can communicate, and the guys that work down in the laundry speak very little English. It is one of the few jobs on board that you are not required to speak perfect English to do.
Interesting. Did not even know that.
Get your popcorn and butter and diet coke. Less calories and take your seat. Silence of